I feel alive more than before. I feel alive. I feel alive more than before. I fall apart. Yeah, yeah. I feel alive more than before. All the shit I went through, all of my own, buried alive. I fall apart. Oh yeah.
I can't believe I'm 27 today. What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Steezy, and today your boy turned 27 years old, guys. I started posting on this YouTube channel, like car content wise, when I was 20 years old. Like I was 19 going on 20. I had just got my Evo 8, I actually bought my Evo 8 and posted that on my YouTube channel, and that was kind of like the start of this YouTube channel. And originally this channel was called Nasty AZ Evo. I don't know if you guys have been around for that long and you guys are still tuning in, but yeah, this channel was called Nasty AZ Evo. I live in Arizona, have my whole life, and I had the Evo, and that's just a random name I thought of from back in the day. But I'm pretty sure my Instagram has always been STEEZYJ, and then once I sold the Evo, I obviously didn't want to keep around the name Evo in my YouTube name, so I changed it to just STEEZYJ. But yeah, 20 years old to 27. I mean, I haven't been consistent on this channel, as you guys may know, that if you guys stuck around. I have had this channel for quite a while, but there were a lot of periods of time where I just didn't upload, just a lot of things going on in life. It's my first time experiencing life the same way you guys are experiencing life for the first time. You know, things just get in the way. Things just happen in life, you know what I mean? And creating YouTube videos aren't as easy as it seems. I know some of you guys watching right now create your guys' own type of content, YouTube videos or TikTok videos, Instagram videos. It is fun. I very much enjoy creating car content, and that's why I always just come back. I always love documenting all the cars I've owned, all the mods, you know what I mean? Taking them to car meets, just doing fun things with friends. I really enjoy that aspect, and to just know that I can watch my older self in the future, I think is pretty neat too. And my boys, when they're older, they can watch what their dad was like growing up at this age. But yeah, guys, everyone that's watching right now, I hope you guys are having a great new year. It is January 14th today. It's honestly crazy that we're in 2024, guys. I started filming videos for this channel, like I said, when I was 20 years old in college, and just to think that it's 2024. It's crazy that we're here now. Your boy's married to his high school sweetheart. We got married and we got 2 boys, 5-year-old and a 1-year-old, and it just, you know, it's a blessing, and it's crazy to be in this spot, because in hindsight, talking about myself when I was 19, 20 years old, if you would have said I'd have had a family, been married, had a newer BMW, have the Cutlass back in the garage, you know, things have been going good, guys. I really just wanted to create this YouTube video for everyone that's been tuning in for the past years, or even if you're a new subscriber and you're tuning into now, I wanted to speak to you guys and just say what's up. You know, it's a brand new year, and I'm going to be creating a lot more YouTube videos this year with the BMW, and I absolutely will get my Cutlass running. Like, I have some big plans this year for the Cutlass. It is not going to be looking like this by the end of the year, and it's going to be driving on the road. I'm going to be cruising in that with the fam. And as far as the Beamer, I have quite a bit planned for that as well. It's already looking pretty clean, but there's quite a bit more things I want to do to it, and it is nowhere close near to done. But I do really enjoy this BMW, guys. I've been loving it. And also, guys, check this out. Your boy got tatted. I'll show you guys more if you guys are more interested in that. I'm not going to just flash you guys that fast yet. But I'm also getting a tattoo tonight on my birthday. I'm going to be getting something right here on my upper abdomen, and yeah, I've had all these tattoos since like 2019. I did like pretty much my whole arm, and I just did this 2 weeks ago around December. I think it was December 27th. So this is like brand new ink. Once I get this piece, if you guys are interested, I'll show you guys some tats. I love tattoos, I always have. It just, I took a break from them for quite a while because I didn't know what I wanted to get next. I don't know if you guys are interested in tattoos, but for my chest piece, I wanted it to be something like I would absolutely love forever. I feel like it's the main staple of like your art. It's just like right there on your chest, and like it's like the most noticeable in my opinion, especially like if you have your shirt off or wearing a tank top. And guys, I absolutely love it. It's like one of my favorite tattoos right now. Shout out to my boy Joey. I'll leave his Instagram in the description below if you guys are local here in Arizona. He's in Mesa, Arizona. If you guys are local, like I said, you guys can hit him up. Go get some ink for your guys' self. Let's take a look at the beams, shall we? Here's how the beams is looking, guys. I haven't done anything so far yet. I do have some mods. I'm not going to show you guys because if I show you guys the box, you guys can probably guess what it is. But trust me, I do have some things that I'm waiting to install. I'm just waiting on one more thing so I can create like one YouTube video and do quite a bit of things to it at once. That's kind of how like I've been doing it. not just one thing at a time. But guys, take a look how sick the beams is looking. Like, man, this thing is so sick. And guys, look at this. This is actually functioning for the brakes. These air ducts, it goes straight to the wheels. I just think that's super sick. It's on both sides, and it's not like some fake vent. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, you guys can see the Cutlass through that air vent right there, which is pretty sick. And I don't know if you guys know this about the newer BMWs, but these grills actually are like automatic and they open up. Like when you like give it gas or whatever. What the heck? Look at this bird feather just flew down. But anyways, when you give it gas, these air vents open up and you get all that air intake into your car, and it's a trip, man. All the older BMWs did not have that. My 335i did not have that. But onto the Cutlass, I mean, I haven't done really anything to the Cutlass. Like I said, it is not going to be looking like this by the end of the year. Definitely want to change the color, get the wheels repainted, like the centers, maybe re-chromed. Yeah, guys, I have huge plans. I've always had huge plans for this Cutlass. That's why I've never given up on it. So I've never sold it. I could easily sell this car, but why would I sell this car? You know what I mean? Like, I absolutely love like the old muscle cars. I don't know if you guys are interested in them at all, but I grew up around them and I just love them. Yep, these are the whips in the garage, guys.
I'm all the weed and Tito's.